What is going on, guys? I'm Sandoval here with another live trading video. Today is Friday, March 17, 2023. In front of you, I have the Nasdaq. On the right, we have the 5 minute, and on the left, we have the 1 minute. 5 minute is where we do our analysis, and we plot our support resistance, demand supply zones, and then the 1 minute is we actually take trades. We are trading 10 funded accounts. 5 of them are evaluation, 5 of them are already live through Apex. We're doing 2 contracts. We hit the first target, it's 150, get both targets $500. So that's the goal, is between 150 and $500. So with that said, guys, let's see what the market has today, and I'll get you guys back when we're ready to trade. All right, guys, I'm back. So you guys can see market open, went all the way up here, and it's just been coming down all the time. Came down to this level, tried it once, twice, 3 times. So I'm thinking it's gonna go back up a little bit before it keeps trying to come down. So at this point, what I'm waiting for is for this candle to close above at least this last high, and we can take this for a quick
order submitted.
For a quick trade, quick reversal. So there it is. I'm hesitant because, all right, guys, we're in this trade.
Order filled.
Again, we're going against the trend, so not the best of trades, but I just wanted to see if it was going to continue to do that. Gets me out. It's going to suck because it's Friday.
Order filled.
Sure enough, that's why you never trade against the trend, and I should have known better. Alright, guys, I'm going to try to see if I can get one more trade. If not, we'll just take the loss. Alright, guys, so we're in this trade. Let's see if we can get that target.
Order filled.
Target hit, guys. So it's Friday. Let's do a quick recap. So the first trade, let me go here and mark it so you guys can see it. First trade you saw me take was this one, right? Now I knew the market was at this point, as you guys can see, market open, and it was just trending. It was coming down, right? So it was the bears were in control. So at this point, I knew I need to take, I need to sell the market, right? So it came down to this level, and then when it came here, like it came to this level once, twice. So when I was looking at it, it was the third time that it was this level. It was not breaking through to the downside. So I was thinking was gonna reverse, right? So I took this trade thinking that it was gonna continue to go up. I came in here, 1246, and sure enough, as soon as I came in, the market retraced, got me out, and then sure enough, went my way, right? Now the lesson here is, again, if it's a downtrend, why take a trade against the trend, right? I mean, yeah, there's pullbacks, right, where you can make the money, but it's just a little bit more riskier. So I was upset at myself because not following my rules, but I said, okay, it's still, this was 10 in the morning Central Time. So I said, okay, it's Friday. Let's just stay focused and let's just wait for a setup, right? So we just let the market do its thing. We're just patiently waiting and waiting and waiting. Now, the first time I saw this setup, and again, this was going up, so I was doubting myself because again, I didn't want to go against the trend. I saw this setup here and I did not take it. It was almost identical as this one, but I said, okay, if it happened once, it might happen again, and I don't want to lose the second trade. So I stayed away, stayed patient. Now, as soon as it broke this, as you guys can see in a 5-minute, it was the whole time was here, right? It was just ranging from here to there, here. It was just doing this. As soon as it broke from here, I said, okay, now the market reversed. And so that's the trade that I took here. So I waited, market broke, retraced, and this is the trade that we took right now. So I waited for it to touch this line, this zone, which was really close to this. At the point, it was a support. When it went back, this became resistance, and so this is where I took this trade, and you guys saw what happened. Now, the other thing I did change was I traded 4 contracts for this. I went ahead and did 4 contracts because again, I had lost the first one, and I just didn't want to close the week in red. So I knew I was gonna take another trade. I needed to do it like this. All right. So well, that's it, guys. That's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. It was Friday, but we stayed patient with all the rules. Not the first trade though, but the second one we did. And this is what happens when you follow the rules. So go change this back to 2 contracts because we're doing it 2, right? All right, guys. So that's it for this video. Any questions or comments? Put them down below. I am trading this 10 accounts. So hopefully by next week, and I'll let you guys know, but hopefully by next week, we can pass these 5 evaluations, and we can also start requesting our first withdrawal from these 5 live accounts. The goal is to hit at least $3,000 in profit so that we can go ahead and start doing that. So with that said, guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Hey guys, really quick, for those of you that are interested, like I said, I trade funded accounts with Apex. For those of you that are interested, they're still running their promotion, 80% off, which is great. You still have 4 days to take advantage, guys. I'll leave the link in the video so you guys can go ahead and get your account. But basically, the ones that you see me trade are this ones right here, 50K. You can trade up to 10 contracts. You guys saw me trade 4 right now. I usually do 2. Profit is to make 3,000 without losing more than 2,500. Regular price is 167. So at the 80% off, you're looking about I think it's like $35 a month. So take advantage of that, guys. Get your account for $35. Like I said, this special still you have 4 days. So. And I'll do just a video on this as well, so you guys I can explain to you how this works. But yeah, I just wanted to tell you guys this. Take advantage. I'll leave the link on the comments, so you guys just click on it. It'll take you here, and then you just follow the instructions. If you have any questions, of course, let me know. All right, guys. Happy trading. Have a nice weekend.